you can make these DIYs. For this first idea, take any sheet of paper and make a one stroke drawing on it. So basically these are drawings which we make with one line in one go. So their end result is usually very abstract and attractive. We have to make these drawings on 3 different sheets. Once done, apply glue at the outline and stick wool or twine, anything which is available with you, and just cut off the excess. Repeat the same process with all of the 3 drawings. And with this, our DIY decor also gets ready. It's very simple yet abstract and looks amazing. For the second DIY, take any sheet of paper and with a black sketch pen, draw or write something on it, then cut it out. After that, take any glass jar and place the cutout upside down in the jar. You can even use any photo instead of a cutout. So after that, flip the jar upside down and ready. Basically, we have made a very cool looking desk decor which is sort of a unique frame. So for this third idea, take any sketch pen and on the page mark the center point, basically make a dot at the center of the page, and then make wavy lines connecting at the dot. Then start filling it with some curvy lines, so the more outwards you go, the more space there will be. Once you are done filling all the sections in the same manner, make the lines between them a little bold if they are not already, and then shade using a pencil. So this pencil shading basically gives it more like an illusion effect. So we are basically shading towards the edges and then blend it using earbud. Even though this step is optional, it looks great if you do it. And with this, our DIY gets ready. I am loving the way it has turned out. It looks like an illusion. So for this fourth idea, you need any plastic box. We just want the plastic, and the plastic should be a little hard. You can even use any container like this. So cut out a rectangle. After that, with a black sketch pen, I am doodling some rose flowers on the bookmark. It's not important to make rose flowers, you can doodle whatever you wish to. So as you can see, in my case the sketch pen is very light, so I decided to use black paint to give it a little bolder look. However, if you feel that your sketch pen is dark enough, no need to do this step. After that, seal it using clear tape, and in this way our DIY bookmark gets ready. Simple yet aesthetic. So these were the 4 DIYs I wanted to share with you all. So if you enjoyed watching this video, then you might like these ones as well. So do check them out, and let's meet in my next video.